Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Oppo F11 versus a Vivo Y17, and this phone is giving you a MediaTek Helio P35 processor with 4GB RAM, while the Oppo F11 is giving you a new MediaTek Helio P70 processor with a 4GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and show you who is best for you in the price range. And Oppo F11 is having a more expensive phone than the Vivo Y17, about 4000 PKR difference there. And Oppo F11 is the fastest one, and Vivo Y17 is right behind, about 1 second difference there between both of these phones. Everything is closed up in the background like always, and the first application is the phone dialer on both phones and faster on the F11, and Y17 is right behind, launching the settings, and again faster on the F11 and Y17 is right behind. Next up is the calculator application on both phones, and this time Y17 is faster, F11 is right behind. Next up is the calendar, and faster on the Vivo Y17, and Oppo F11 is right behind, launching the My Clock application, and that was about the same on both phones. Very hard to tell who is going to be the fastest one. Launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush, and I think Oppo F11 is just a tiny bit faster there, and Vivo Y17 is right behind. Next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones, and again this time the Oppo F11, it is huge difference between these phones. Last game application is the Temper Run 2, and again Oppo F11 is again faster there, and Y17 is right behind, about 2 or 4 second difference there. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, and that is faster on the Y17, and F11 is right behind. Launching the internet browser on both phones, Vivo Internet versus a Google Chrome. Show you guys what is the speed in internet browser, and I have launched the internet browser on both phones, the wikipedia.org first website, and faster on the Vivo Y17 and same Wi-Fi network, and F11 is right behind, no lag whatsoever in the scrolling. Next up is the Amazon.com, and this time Oppo F11 is looking like the fastest one. Yes, it is faster than the Vivo Y17. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones is giving you a 4GB RAM, and let's see who is the best in the RAM measurement. In my last videos, Oppo F11, it is very bad with the RAM measurement. Let's see in this video the apps is refreshed or not. Let's see. And so far both phones is amazing in the RAM measurement. And last is the internet browser on both phones, and overall I'd state that the app's opening speed is faster on the Oppo F11, and Vivo Y17 is right behind to the Oppo F11, and RAM measurement is very good on both phones, not much a difference between Vivo Y17 and F11, and Y70 is giving you a ultra wide lens as well as a 5000 mAh battery size, and with the 5000 mAh battery size the phone is little bit thick than the F11. And thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Oppo F11 versus a Vivo Y17. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.